Good morning students, myself Gitika Kalra, and today in this video we are going to learn about sexual reproduction in plants. So as you know that in sexual reproduction two parents are involved. One is male parent and the other is the female parent. So first of all let us see the different parts, that is male part and the female part. So this is the male part, that is known as a stamen, and stamen has two main parts, that is the anther and the filament. So as you can see on your screen, anther is the topmost part whereas filament is the bottom part, and on cross section of anther we can see pollen grains are present inside the pollen sacs. These pollen grains are only the male gametes that are being transferred from the male part to the female part. So stamen is the male reproductive part of the flower. Now let us see the female part. So in this diagram you can easily see the female part. So students, this is the female part, that is known as the carpel. Carpel is the female part. It consists of three parts, that is ovary, style and stigma. The other part of the flower are the petals that are colorful, that attract the insects, the sepals that protect the flower in the bud formation, receptacle, and then there is the flower stem. So these are the main parts of the flower, that is sepal, petal, carpel and stem. And carpel consists of three parts: ovary, style and stigma. Let us see one more diagram related to this only. Yes, in this you can see the three parts of the female reproductive part also, that is the ovary, and then the style, then the stigma. Okay, and the stamen has the two parts, anther and the filament. You can see, yes, I can just point it out like this. These are the male part and this is the female. You can see style, stigma and ovary, and the male part are the anther and filament, and the other two parts are the petals and the sepals. Now let us see next diagram. Yes, in this diagram you can see this is the cycle. How does it take place? So there is a plant, in that cell division, it undergoes cell division. Cell division are two types, mitosis and meiosis. This you will learn in the higher classes. So after mitosis the flower is formed, then it undergoes pollination, then fertilization, seed is formed, and then from seed the development of the new plant. Now let us see the next part. Yes, this is how plant grows. There is a seed, then I told you there is germination, that will germinate, then there will be sprouting, sprout hoga wo, then pollination, and then dissemination. Dissemination means it dies out. Okay, so plant grows from the seed. Now let us see next. Next is the journey. This figure shows the journey from the flower to the fruit. Flower that is formed after fertilization, then it petals, they wither out, then ovary begins to swell and the seeds develop inside the fruit. Fruit grows bigger. The seeds are formed from the ovules and fruit is formed from the ovary. The ovary grows bigger until it forms a fruit. Okay students? So this was all about the sexual reproduction in plants. You just have to remember that there are two parts, male reproductive part and female reproductive part. Male part is known as the stamen, female part is known as the carpel. It has two parts, male part that is the anther and the filament, and the female part has ovary, style and stigma. These are the basic points of the sexual reproduction in plants. Okay students, so that's all for this video. Hope to see you soon, and keep studying, keep learning new things and enjoy your studies. Okay then, goodbye and take care.